Yo, what is going on, everybody? So today I wanted to cover my trade review. I'll throw the screenshots up now. This is just for the BB chat for my BB members, so this won't be a public video. But I wanted to cover the trade today, but the entry and exits displayed on the screen right now. I am going to remove that so I can go over the actual trade itself. Entry, of course, was at 9. We exited 17 minutes later, and yes, it did dump even more. But again, I'm not really worried about catching the whole move. I was very happy with getting, I think it was about 60%. I'd have to go back and look. But a really good gain though, so I was very happy with that. But let me remove all of this. Jesus, speak English. Remove that, and then let's go to see what I liked. So what I liked about it is that, again, and I know I have minimal levels up right now. Again, I'm just using some previous day levels. I was just using BB system. No TA routine was on this. I will show you the TA routine chart on my next screen so you can see what the difference was, because I did actually have those levels up, but I was only focused on these right here for the day. So the main thing was we were watching the yesterday open, yesterday close. Those were very close levels. So it was very, very smart to have this level up. Again, shared the link yesterday. But that's what we went up and rejected. So that's really what gave me confidence. And then when we pushed down and got the close under the 9 EMA on the 5 minute and on the 1 minute, that's what got me into my trade. Again, entry was at 9 o'clock on this candle here, Central Standard Time. So like the break of the 9 EMA on the 1 and the 5 minute, after rejecting an important area. Again, not just looking for random, red candles. I'm looking for patterns with positioning. So what did we get here? We got an inside candle right at the resistance. What did the next candle do? Close lower. What did the next candle do? Close lower. So this gave me confirmation that sellers were definitely trying to at least get to today's open. Since I only had one contract playing in that position, I decided to hold through this. Normally you should take profit at this. It was very greedy of me to hold past that. But the exit ended up being as it was dumping through towards the pre-market low, which I think there is a lower. No, that is the pre-market low. I'm sorry. So as it was making its way towards pre-market low, that's when I was trying to get out of my trade, and I was happy to take profits because I don't know that it's going to make that open range break. And since I already made the greedy decision of holding past one open range break past today's open, a very important pivot point, I didn't want to make that decision twice. So yes, it did dump more, but again, I'm not going to sit here and ignore the facts of the chart while being in a single contract position. Had I been in maybe 3, we could have taken 2 here, 1 here, or maybe 2 here. Try to hold through this, then try to sell a new low, give ourselves a little bit more room there. We'll have to see. And maybe if we had like 5 contracts, maybe we could have sold 3 here, 1 here, and then try to make the last one go farther. We'll see. But again, just showing you good entry and exit based off the 9 EMA on the 1 and the 5 minute. But real quick, at the end of the video here, I'm going to have to show you with all of the levels from the TA routine. Again, just from the link that we shared the other night. Alright, so here is the information I sent the other night. Every night or every day after the market's over, I send a updated list or updated link and chart of what SPY looks like with the new updated levels. Again, because I love to re-maintenance the chart, clean up whatever we had from the previous day going into the next. I add my supply, I add my demand of my previous day high and low. I sometimes add pivot points like this day's open, which also happened to line up with that day's close just about. So had both of those marked, and then the link and all that stuff. So you can have all that stuff, and then you go to your TOS. You drop your link in here, you save it and all that good stuff, and then you can use it here. But you can see, going off of this information, you still got the same level here at 455 rejected. You still got the push down. You can see we're in supply. A little bit riskier when you look at it this way with this one, but again, combining signals, again, inside candle, we got the break lower, we got the break lower under the 9 EMA. That's multiple things telling me that it's trying to pull back. Could we have gotten a push back up into this high? Yeah, that's the stop. That's the risk spot. Again, the inside bar where the first piece of signal came from, that would be your stop. But just wanted to show you both confirmations as well as that there was a good level around here towards pre-market low, and that was a good target for our single contract position. So definitely not going to fret about that one moving a little bit lower, but again, it's also just a good thing to show you. You can catch good plays and it can still go on without you, and you don't need to complain. You just need to move on from it. Don't do this would've, could've, should've crap when you did take a good trade. Don't do this to yourself. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Catch me on another one. If you guys want more videos like this, please let me know. Also, I do have the bigger time frame video coming out for the public soon, so be on the lookout for that. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys again for tuning in.